Hello to all my friends out there. So today is low carb day. So I've been wanting to try this. So today is a good day. So I have one egg with a little evaporated milk. And what I want to do is try to roll my sausage in my egg like a little crepe, but not exactly. So I just want to roll it little by little. It's probably not that easy to do, or everyone would be doing that, you know. But I think it can be done. What I need is a little snack. You know, you've been out of the house all day and you walk in through the door, and that's when you want to tear up the house and start eating everything in sight, which leads to gaining weight. So I fried my sausage in a pan, and then I removed it looks like it's working pretty good. I removed my sausage grease and I added a little margarine to the pan. So I have my pan so that some of the egg is not cooking quite as fast as the other. Ooh, this is looking good, especially when you're starving, you know. Usually when you're on the low carb day, you cannot, well, this is going to work out good if I figure out how to roll stuff in eggs. I think I just about got it. So then once I get this rolled around, I'm just going to start rolling it around until I'm sure my egg is cooked. Let me give you a close-up. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes, you guys.